Hey, this is Carl Milius, and today we're going to be going over some of the features of the Corsair Vengeance C70 case. Now, if you want a case for mobility, and particularly if you're a gamer, this is clearly the case for you. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It helps me out a lot. Thank you very much. Okay, so let's get into some of the features of the case. Up top, we have, you can either fit dual 120 millimeter fans or 140 millimeter fans, or this is the even cooler part, you can fit a 240 radiator or a 280 radiator. You can mount them underneath. I do suggest doing the whole radiator as opposed to the external. It's just a big mess. Okay, we have these sturdy handles that lift, steel, very well quality here, steel brackets. In the front, we can have two 120 millimeter fans you can mount, or two 140 millimeter fans. You have the clear side panel. You have these two case latches right like that. The panels come right off the panels. This is very good, very sturdy. Look at that. Look how sturdy that is. It's such well quality. So we're going to put that to the side. If we turn to the front, I'm going to hold this like this. We have the power button, we have the hard drive light, we have the headphones, we have the microphone, we have two USB 3.0, that's pretty big. And then look at this little gadget, the military. We have our reset switch, that's kind of cool, check that out. In the front, you can mount two 120 millimeter fans only. You have your optical drives. You have three optical drives. This panel comes off. We will show you that later. So if we look inside, you can see that there's huge space in here. So you can fit your CPU can go right here. It's easy. You can mount your motherboard here, a huge space for the CPU, like I said. You have 8 expansion slots right here, 8. Here you can mount, it looks like a 120 millimeter fan. You have another 120 millimeter fan right here and another one right here. You have several 3.5 and 2.5 drives. Either they're screwless. They look like that. I'll show you another one. They come in and out. They slide like that. The optical drives, these are also screwless. They just slide in and you just snap them in. So if we go to the other side, again, unlock these very well. I mean, Corsair does such a good job and their products. I'm just really impressed. Look at that. It's solid steel. It has room in the inside, so if you ever want to mount anything, it's very well done. So now look at the side here. Huge cutout. So you can easily fit your CPU and the fan. Very good. And this is another thing I like by Corsair. Look at this. Look at the wire management. Look at the cable management. I mean, they're always thinking about something. This goes out, it snaps in like this, snaps in like this. I mean, they think of everything. You can run your cables here, perhaps for the motherboard power. You have different cables here where you can route underneath. Very well done, Corsair. Now, another thing I want to show you is if we bring it to the front again, is that we have, I guess we could take this front off. I guess I could take it off if I want to. So here we go. Now the front panel comes off. And if you want to take off the front panel, if you look in the insides, there's little grooves. You hold on to them and you push them out. One here, and one here. And the other side, one here, one here, one here. You hold on to them from each side and then you just push them out. So when we look at this, you can see you can mount 2 additional 120 millimeter fans, which is really cool. And did I say that this case also comes in comes in military green. So that is cool. So not only do we have the black, we have the military green. It comes with nice rubber bottoms, beautiful rubber bottoms, because you won't get any jitters or anything like that. And it has an additional dust filters where you can just take them out, one in the front, and if you go in the back, it has the dust filter right here. So very well thought of, very good, an excellent machine. So here you have it. It's the Corsair C70 mid-tower gaming case. If you want it for portability, it's your case. If you want it for gaming, it's your case. Thank you.